All right. Welcome back. I know we had a couple days off. Uh, Basically, the professors at Richland had kind of like a professional development day where they give us some time so that we can catch up on some of our duties that are not class related, like administrative stuff. First of all, I want to say that if you have the coronavirus, you should go home.
Generally.
Okay.
But
Not.
test to see if you have it.
I'm not even kidding. Like if you're coughing at all or sick in any way, shape, or form, go
What about
home.
me? I've been coughing my entire life.
Okay, well you're probably okay, but if you're coughing, like I can't get sick, and neither can anybody else in this classroom. I spent all December and November sick. I really don't want to do that again. So I'll cut you a break, and you'll be fine. Your grade will be fine. It's more valuable for you to get better, and for us not to get sick. So no big deal, no hard feelings. You guys know my policy. I say it most every time. If you're sick, go home. Everybody has to be careful with this respiratory illness. They have some cases in San Antonio now.
Oh, really?
And yep, as of yesterday. And use hand sanitizer a lot. Wash your hands a lot. Don't touch your eyes. Don't stick your fingers in your mouth. I know it sounds stupid, but like, try not to shake people's hands. Throw up peace signs. That's the best way to go. And definitely, if you are sick, do not come to class. Don't do it. I wouldn't be surprised if over the next month, if we had some classes cancel because of some scares. I wouldn't be surprised if we have cases of coronavirus in Dallas. Not to scare you guys, but just keep your hands clean, use hand sanitizer, and don't make out with people you don't know. All right. So first and foremost, let's jump on the Epic Games launcher. I heard there was some new cool stuff we could download for free. Because it's a new month, right?
Yeah. New cereal! You can start, there's a pack where that allows you to stop time, freeze time, reverse time.
What?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's check it out.
The weird thing is, though, he posted the entire code in the picture preview.
I'm sure that's not the entire code.
Probably not, but
Well,
a good chunk of it.
I guarantee you somebody would rather download that than to just recreate it.
Just go to the marketplace, go download it. It's like right there. I think it's called the Ability Panel.
Where?
Okay, right there. It's purple. Scroll up. There, you see it? 100% off.
What else we got? Let's view all free products. Game Textures Material Pack. That's cool.
That actually has a lot of cool textures. I have it. I just looked at it, and it's really cool.
Guys, everybody jump on the Unreal Marketplace, man. Let's download some cool stuff because, when it's free, it's free.
I already have all the free things.
Huh?
I already have all the free things.
Well, good for you. Batch rename tool. Oh, that's awesome. This is incredibly handy. Batch rename tool. Get that. Tomorrow shader tutorial. Twin motion materials. Don't know what that is, but materials are always good. Datasmith export plugins. Don't know what that is. Datasmith. Debug logging library for C++. Fog of War. What's Fog of War?
So Fog of War is essentially, it's more for like multiplayer versus things, and so like turn-based ones. So like, so say you have you and your team. You'll be able to see you and your team, say like on the mini map, but you won't be able to see the enemy team because they're hidden in the Fog of War. And the same for the other team. They won't be able to see you because you're hidden in the Fog
Part
of
of
War
the
as
map
well.
is fogged
The only
or,
way to
or
see the
blacked
enemy
out.
is if you actually get up close to them.
Okay.
Like they have to be within like a certain radius for you to see
A lot of MOBA games utilize it. It's really cool.
Okay.
Basically any top-down strategy.
Ooh, LiDAR point cloud. It's kind of cool. There's a lot of free stuff actually.
Yeah, there's quite a bit.
Vehicle variety pack.
I can't believe you locked me out.
Yeah, can you twist the lock on that and close it? The lock's on the other side. So twist the lock on the back.
You maybe should know by coming in.
How do we sort it by like free this month?
I don't think you can.
Yeah, you just gotta go back to the home page.
That's nice. It's almost 20 bucks.
Are you kidding me? Actually, it says free.
That's free for this month.
That's all that's free for the month.
Wait, hold up. So just these ones are free for the month?
Yes, just those.
What's this one? FPS Assault Pack.
Yeah.
Basically probably just another gun pad. Yeah.
For the art pipeline thing. Oh, dang. And it gives us arms.
Like human-like arms.
The human arms.
Oh.
Not the mannequin ones.
Free now, Inner Space.
Indie game, I believe. I don't know if I can afford $0
Cool. It's always good. Always good to get the free stuff.
With that pack, you can literally stop playing. Fast forward time. Well, you can add all those. They won't download to it.
All right, hey you guys, please go to your computers. Go to your computers. Sit down. Please stop talking. Thank you. All right, let me run over the project here. What's the first thing we do when we come into class?
Fetch and pull.
That's right. So let's go find Cool Patrol. I'm going to right click on Cool Patrol. I'm going to do a git sync. I'll do a fetch. And what does fetch do?
It compares the two branches to see if they're matched, what's different.
Yes. Checks your computer, checks the server, sees if anything's different. If something's different, it makes a note of it so that when you then pull, it's going to pull down any stuff. And let's see, looks like some stuff got pulled. Let's see. Some stuff about, oh, here we go. Key cards. Did we put in some key cards?
Yep.
Player HUD,
Yes.
main menu, world. Oh, well, some, looks like a level, main menu got added, world UMAP got added. Some sort of a save game asset got added, main menu options. Cool, we're doing some stuff. Space game logo. Enemy blueprint. So I got to here by, after I did it, and it said I had success pulling, I just clicked on this little log here, and it showed me all the stuff that got updated. Alright.
You can also check the Discord for stuff that got updated.
Oh yeah,
That's the
Discord sends notifications for when we push.
that's right, because you set that up, didn't you? So let's go look at that real quick. So Team Cool Patrol, and that is in what, project update?
GitHub repo update.
Well, project voice chat. Go
It's
down.
it's on the bottom.
Okay. Cool. So anytime there's an update, pops up right here
Oh, is that what I'm getting?
and lets you know what's going on. Langford, added base of same functionality. Hazards, doors. Good work, you guys. Okay. That's interesting.
I had to keep pushing the same thing because it wasn't sticking for some reason. So at the end there, I just got a little irritated.
Sometimes you have to force push.
Yeah.
Okay, so remember the policy for now. Whenever you guys want to push stuff to the server, talk to.
I tested him, and he basically knows what he's
Is
doing.
he good? Okay,
yeah, he's
cool.
good to do it on his own.
That's our goal, is to. You're gonna get when you feel like people are like good to go, then they can be on their own.
All right.
Right. And guys, if you have any questions at any time, talk to him. Any technical issues? That was a question for you.
No. Everything's programming wise is running well.
All right.
GitHub's
Anything we need to push to the server?
Programming wise,
and yeah, just anything.
Do
that
we
needs to be
do we
pushed
need any
back.
more assets? Let's start with level design. Level designers. Last time we got all those assets in there, those space assets.
Right.
What you guys started to kind of.
Yeah, we started to like mess around with it, started to begin building our levels.
Okay.
Blocking it out before you add any like actual aesthetics to it.
Okay, awesome. And has each level designer been able to push their level to the server? I saw world, I saw main menu, but I didn't see individual levels.
No one's asked to push yet.
Okay. What we should do is, does everyone have something right now?
As far as levels,
Yeah, a block out something.
he has to remake his because it was deleted.
I was almost finished.
All right, let's do this. Where's the level design lead at? Okay, cool. So let's get you with the level design lead.
Teach
So
him how to do it.
yeah, so after this not right now, After the meeting, we're gonna run through, and each level designer is gonna push their level to the server. Okay, and yeah, and then everybody will update and pull everyone else's level. If that makes sense. But I want each level designer to run through with level lead, which is you, and tech guy, to just understand what it is to push their stuff to the server, and then pull latest. I mean, everybody already knows how to pull latest, but all right. So keep working on those. Let's make some progress on levels today. Get some stuff pushed. Programmers, you guys are probably on autopilot at this point, right?
We're working on save.
We're
states
working
right
on
now.
save game stuff. So we're just deciding on how we're going to structure it, whether we're going to save everything in the
Man,
game
you could
or
do
level
something.
by level.
You could do something simple like checkpoints.
Then if we're having like 6 levels and we're testing it and you close the game and it resets you to the map.
Save game is a lot. So. You know what? You know what we should really do is prioritize gameplay.
Okay.
What we need to do is get this game to a place where we can test it as soon as possible, so we can see if it's fun. Okay, that's the thing that we're trying to find here, is the fun. Focusing on things that, like save game, which is like, yeah, we know we're gonna need it, but we could do without it. You know what I mean? Like, it's not the priority right now is to get something that we can test, to get to testing fast as possible.
Okay.
Does that make sense? I want to see characters run around, jumping, doing puzzles, whatever our core gameplay, our core mechanics, our core features are. That's what we need to be able to test as quickly as possible.
All right.
Because the clock is running. Project lead.
Yes.
Sound. I saw the sound girl popped up and said some stuff.
She has a substantial list of monster growls, and I think someone in there recommended that she just use all of them.
And then it'll be random which growl the monster.
Yeah, I mean that sounds good to me. The monster can growl I think it was maybe 6 growls that she made. I don't see why the monster can't use all 6 of them.
They were all pretty cool. I was actually just checking about a second ago on
Yeah.
the Clockers speakers.
All right.
They did a good job on that.
Variety is cool. Too much variety is not needed. Remember, these sound files are like really big, and we don't want to be pushing like gigabytes of sound files to the server.
Gotcha.
So just make sure she's aware that like the repository, the server isn't just this. It's not Google Photos, okay?
Right.
It's not just endless storage. Every time somebody pushes something to the server, the whole class has to update it, and all the people online, often their world, with their internet connection and their computer storage, has to pull all those files as well.
Right.
So just make sure she's aware to try and limit massive gigabytes worth of sound stuff. Character stuff. I heard the character's on your computer and it doesn't work. Is that accurate?
Yeah. I can just use another computer, just re-download the animations and probably get that going.
All right. Last time we were in here, somebody was doing getting the character into the game in their own project, and then we were gonna migrate it. Where are we
I
at?
was doing that.
Oh, you were doing that? Okay. All right, we'll just get it there and then grab me and I can help you migrate it over to the project.
Okay.
Animations. Where are we at on animations?
Not a whole lot yet to animate.
Yes.
So for when the monster moves around, we gotta do an animalistic movement, which it's scurrying on all fours. We had an idle animation where it's doing the one where it's just looking around like Jolene had. We were thinking about putting in a scream one, but we had to cut that, and that's pretty much it. Just something simple.
Okay. 2D and 3D art. I see we've got a logo now. We're starting to. We're moving in the right direction of like look, feel, style. We have like something chosen. Have here HUD design. We need.
Yeah, HUDs we are tied between two, and we need input from the rest of the group right now.
Okay.
Part
That-
of HUD's also programming, right? Since we have to make the HUD change.
Yeah.
Values.
So whoever designs the HUD will need to break the separate elements out into different pieces, graphic
Yeah.
pieces, and then give that to the programmer. Photoshop has a trim feature. It's pretty convenient. That's what I was going to ask. Do we need to have any meetings? Is there anything that needs to be figured out? Sounds like that needs to be figured out. Who's that going to be? Artists and programmers?
Yeah.
Okay. Level design, are you guys good? You're just working now?
Pretty much.
Okay, all right, so why don't we do a quick art meeting with programming?
Do you want me to help?
Let's do
level
that
design
after.
push? Okay. I have like a two-person thing.
Yeah.
No, with you.
Yeah.
My bad, bro. I forgot to mention
Control or
I
C.
forgot to mention that there's an attack animation.
Yes!
We finally got our
I don't know why.
last
but I
level
forgot to
design
add
guy
that
who's
when I
been
first
gone
got
for
it.
like 2 weeks.
All right, can you make sure he's updated?
Yeah,
and understands what's going on?
I
Okay.
had like a brain fart.
Well, I'm saying.
Great.